Hello guys, Christmas is coming, so it's time to think about Christmas light, right? Today I have this Govee Curtain Light 2, it's a second version. In general, you can see in my studio I have a lot of different Govee lights, and this one will be great addition. Why? Because it works with Matter, Alexa, Google Home. I have a Apple Home with a HomeKit, that's why this Matter is important for me. So let's open the box, let's check what is inside, and let's go and install this Christmas light on my window. Okay, inside the box we have some user manual, some quick start and other papers, but this is the gadget itself. Let's start from this small box, and this is a power supply, so you have a main block, right? And you have a remote with this sticker, and this is for two lights. Okay guys, this is a first light because I have two of them, so this is a first one and this is a second. Okay, what do we have in the last box? And this is a different accessories which will help us to attach this light to the curtains. Okay, shall we start? So first of all, let's start from the power supply. You need to insert this block into your wall outlet, right? Then you need to connect this remote control with actually one button, right? So you can off, and you can on, right? And then you have, in my case, because you can order one or two sets of these lights. In my case, it's two lights, right? So I can switch them on together, and I can connect them in one after another, right? So you have a one connection, and then you have a second connection. So far so good. Let's attach this to the window itself. Okay guys, to be able to attach this Christmas light to the wall behind the curtains or a window or anything else where you need this, you can use these sticky hooks, right? So on the one side you have this place for the element of the light, and from another side you have this sticky side, right? So to be able to attach this to the wall, you need just to insert your top side element of the light into this hook, and that's all. Okay guys, I've mainly done with the biggest part, right? So I was able to attach two lights because I have a set of two to the wall. You see we have a special place to attach a cable because you need to connect second light with the first light. And one hint just for you guys, if you are gonna to attach this hooks to your wall on a permanent basis, like forever, you can use this adhesive layer, the sticky layer, right? But if you are gonna to remove it, for example, after the holiday or something like that, or maybe you will not like it, I suggest you rather use this plastic hooks and some strings, because this glue on this sticky layer is super powerful. Most probably you will not be able to remove this without damage on your wall. So if I'm gonna to remove this with some time in future, I will definitely need to repaint this wall. Here you go. This is a final view of this Christmas light or any light, because I'm going to use this light during any holidays around the year, or just to add some interesting color to my scene. So you guys, you see I have some Christmas light around my fireplace, and now this curtains light from Govee. I need to finish some wiring to make it look nice, right? And now you can manage this from application. So you can add this to your Govee application, and now you can change different scenes For example, in this case, let's see what we have. Sunset, or beach, or rainbow, or Christmas tree, or snow house, or snow globe, or a deer. Pretty cool, huh? Well, so for example, we can use this for Thanksgiving, right? Or Halloween, right? So it's a lot of different presets you can use. And guys just sent a firmware update, so I just did it. So you can have even more different presets for this light. My idea is that I'm gonna to use some specific scenes for the holidays, but in general I can use just a color or different non-holiday scene, right? For example, something like that, and it's super bright. Right now it's like all lights is switched on my living room, but it's still, you can see how bright it is. So if I will switch off, it will be even brighter.